Hi Olga, I'm going to try giving you some video feedback on your writing because this is the first time. You see, if I put my cursor here, you'll see this dotted line. So each color and each dot on here is connected to a comment in the margins. I can scroll over so that you can see some of my comments, but I just want to add a couple of points here. I have attached a document that explains how to write a proper topic sentence. You need for your final draft, you need to put a header up here. Please look at the original Writing Test 1 instructions for what needs to go into the header, and also in the topic sentence in that document that I attached. The biggest problem, I would say, well, first of all, you're missing one main idea down here for paragraph 7. But the biggest problem is that your sentences are not connected, okay? It's like point, point, point. Newborn babies have this. Some parents are shy. Okay, this is a good, you show me contrast here. It's not a problem, it's a cause, okay, that we're looking at. We're not looking at the problem of shyness, but the causes. And if you could somehow give me more of a sense like how ideas are connected. So let me just give you one example, all right? In terms of the biological evidence, studies show that newborn babies already have some shyness. In addition, some parents also have shy children. On the other hand, okay, so that kind of, and here you have the next, but you basically just need more signal words to tie these sentences together because the writing is a little bit choppy. Okay, I hope that helps.